Good morning to all. Welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to learn about second tool for financial statement analysis. First tool is comparative statement. Then the second tool is common size statement. So how to prepare common size statement? Okay. This is also another tool which is used to analyze the working of the or financial statement of the company. Then what are all the various steps to prepare common size statement? First, step 1, column 1, particulars of item of income or balance sheet. This is given in the question. Particulars given in the question. Income sometimes may be income statement or maybe balance sheet, whatever may be given in the question. First column, particulars of item. Then second column is enter absolute amount. This also absolute amount is given in the question. So enter the absolute amount. Then third column is choose a common base as 100. Okay, choose a common base as 100. 100 common base எடுத்துக்கணும். Then work out for all items of common items of column 2 and enter. That is, then we have to find out the percentage of revenue from operation for each column. So this is the method. So the last column only, percentage only we are going to find out. Percentage means percentage of revenue from operation. Revenue from operation is given in the question. So that is considered as base. That means that is 100. Then based on that percentage of, based on the revenue from operation, we can calculate all other percentages. Okay. So this is the format. See, in case of column 3, if the income statement is given, revenue from operation is the base. If the balance sheet is given, total of balance sheet is the base. Okay. In case of income statement is given in the question, means income expenses are given, revenue, income expenses are given, revenue from operation. This is the first item. Then if the balance sheet is given, last time we find out the comparative statement by giving balance sheet, no. So balance sheet is given, total of balance sheet, that the amount is given in the total column. So that total column is considered as 100 and find out the percentage. Okay. So this is the method. So see the format, common size income statement, particulars, absolute amount. These two are given in the question. And this only we are going to find out. Okay. So we can go to exercise. Let me read the first, that is 6th exercise. See, prepare common size income statement from the following particulars of Raja Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017. 2017 டீட்டெயில்ஸ், அதாவது இன்கம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இன்கம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ ரெவன்யூ ஃப்ரம் ஆப்ரேஷன் தான் பேசிக்காக எடுத்துக்கணும். சரிங்களா? பர்டிகுலர்ஸு ரெவன்யூ ஃப்ரம் ஆப்ரேஷன் 4,50,000, அதர் இன்கம் 67,500, expenses 1,335,000. These are all the items. So now the format is written there now. So first item, revenue from operation. $4,50,000. This is given in the question. 4,50,000. Then the next item, what is given in the question? That is other income. So we have to add other income. Add other income. How much is given? 67,500. Okay. So we are going to add these two. $5,17,500. Okay. So this is total revenue. This is the total revenue. Okay. Then next, what is the item given? Expenses. So usually we will less the expenses, less expenses. How much is given? 1,35,000. $1,35,000. Okay, this we are going to subtract. $3,82,500. Okay. So this also. So this item already over. So what is this? What is the available? This is the profit before tax. Like the same only last method, comparative statement we done, no, the same method. Okay. So first of all we have to find out the now we are going to find out the percentage. So based on this we are going to find out the percentage of, so the first item, that is 4,50,000, this is the base. So this is considered as 100%. Okay, that is 100%, that is the base. Okay, that is 100%. We are going to find out the percentage. See, first item 100%, second item, see, percentage of revenue from operation find out பண்ணோம். அப்போ other income 67,500 இல்லையா, அப்போ 67,500 divided by base எது 4,50,000, அதே தான் base into 100. இப்போ next item பாருங்க, total revenue 5,17,500 divided by 4,50,000, this is the base into 100. Then next item 3. Next item 1,35,000. 1,35,000 divided by 4,50,000. 4,50,000 is the base for all into 100. Then 5. 3,82,500 divided by 4,50,000 into 100. Okay. So the first one only 100 we entered here. Then the next onwards we have to find out as revenue from operation as the base. Revenue from operation base வச்சுக்கிட்டு நீங்கள் வந்து பர்சன்டேஜ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அந்த பர்சன்டேஜ் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது தான் இப்போ கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். இப்போ நான் இது வந்து கால்குலேட் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சி காட்டுறேன் பாருங்க. %. 115%. 30%. 85%. Now I am going to write down here. See, first 100% over, then this column, how much? 15%. Next column, 115%. Next 30%. Next 85%. That's all. Okay. So this is the method to find out the common size income statement. If this is revenue from operation, this is income statement given in the question. Sometimes there may be balance sheet na, total of balance sheet should be taken as base here. Okay. The same way you can do the next exercise. See, let me read the question. From the following particulars of Maria Limited and Kala Limited, prepare common size income statement for the year ended 31st March 2017. Particulars revenue from operation. Here two companies are given. Maria Limited, Kala Limited. So find out the Maria Limited first, then Kala Limited second. Other income expense. All items are same. So here in case of Maria Limited, base is 1 lakh. In case of Kala Limited, base is 2 lakh. That is the difference. Now I will do the sum. So 6 exercise over. Okay. In common size statement of Raja Limited. Then you start writing. Okay. Then 7th see. Next sum. Already given two Maria Limited is given and the Kala Limited is given. First of all, we enter see Maria Limited revenue from operation. Maria Limited 1 lakh. Kala Limited 2 lakh. Then add other income. Other income. How much? Here 10,000. Here 30,000. So add together 1 lakh plus 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000. Here 2 lakh plus 30,000, 2 lakh 30,000. Okay, less expenses. This is total revenue. Expenses 70,000 here. Here 1,20,000. And 40,000. One lakh 10,000. This is profit before tax. If tax is given, subtract the tax. Okay. So this already given ended here. Now we are going to find out the percentage year, percentage year. See, first here first we want to find out Maria Limited workings. Maria Limited. Okay. See, first amount is 100%. There is no change. Here also 100%. Okay. And now if I calculate all the items for Maria, then see, first item number 1, 10,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100 is equal to. Next item 1 lakh 10,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. Next item 3, 70,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. Next item 40,000. 4, 40,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. Okay, find out all and write out. %. 110%. 70%. 30, 40%. So we'll write down here. See, 10%. Next 110%. Next 70%. Next 40%. Okay, the same way we are going to do for Kala Limited. See here, Kala Limited. Number 1. See how much? 30,000. 30,000. First item already we entered 100% base. Okay, 30,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. Next, 2 lakh 2. 30,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. 3. 1,20,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. 4. 1,10,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. I write down these percentages here. That's all. Okay, I think all of you understood well. Thank you.